बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are handmade and very stunning and very unique and very beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas for your home decor. You guys watch different other craft videos on my channel about different craft work like denim jeans craft work or sewing craft, crochet craft and so on. These are top trending and top unique ideas for you guys. Viewers, if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are best and these are super stunning and very latest ideas for you guys. Hope so guys, you all are doing well. These are very unique and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. You guys make these craft work at your homes. Watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these ideas at home. So viewers, I'm glad to see you all. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and these are very unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas. So must try at your homes and decorate your homes with these denim jeans ideas. And you guys also stores different kind of things on these. So viewers, always take care, always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. So viewers, take care. Bye bye. And remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz guys.